Mars, the enigmatic red planet, a world that has fascinated humans for centuries. From mysterious canals to faces carved into its surface, this alien landscape has no shortage of bizarre secrets. But as we continue to explore, the question remains, are these peculiar structures just tricks of geology, or could they be evidence of something more? Intentional? In 1976, the Viking 1 orbiter sent back one of the most iconic and controversial images of all time. A massive formation in the Cydonia region appeared to resemble a human face, complete with eyes, a nose, and a mouth. To some, it was undeniable proof of ancient Martian civilizations. Was this a monument, perhaps a message left by an advanced race for future explorers? Or was it simply a case of pareidolia, our brain's tendency to see patterns where none exist? Later missions revealed the face to be nothing more than a natural mesa, its human-like features a result of shadows and light at the time of the original photograph. Yet the face on Mars continues to inspire speculation. Could it really be a coincidence, or did we stumble upon the remnants of something extraordinary? Another bizarre discovery is the so-called Martian monolith. In 1998, the Mars Global Surveyor captured an image of a tall, rectangular structure on Mars's moon, Phobos. The object, standing in stark contrast to the surrounding terrain, appears unnaturally geometric. Is it an alien artifact, a relic of an ancient Martian space program, or just a boulder shaped by millions of years of cosmic collisions? Buzz Aldrin, the second man on the moon, once referred to the Phobos monolith as a beacon. While NASA believes it to be a large rock, its striking resemblance to human-made monoliths has sparked theories of intelligent design. Could Mars, or its moons, have once been a hub of activity for an advanced extraterrestrial species? In May 2022, an image from NASA's Curiosity rover left scientists and internet sleuths scratching their heads. Nestled in a rugged Martian cliffside within Gale Crater was something that defied explanation. A rectangular opening that looked shockingly like a doorway. The size, shape, and perfect alignment of this structure set it apart from the jagged, weathered rocks surrounding it. At first glance, it seemed impossible for this to be a natural formation. The opening appeared as if it had been carved with precision, perhaps as an entry point to a hidden chamber or an underground city. Was this evidence of intelligent design, an artifact left behind by a long-lost Martian civilization? Or was it something even stranger? A doorway leading to another dimension, as some wild theories suggest. As the image spread online, theories exploded. Some claimed the doorway was a direct link to extraterrestrial life, proof that advanced beings had once called Mars home. Others suggested it could be a portal, not just to another part of the planet, but to an entirely different realm. It didn't take long for comparisons to emerge between this Martian doorway and mysterious door-like structures found on Earth in places like Egypt, South America, and India. Could this be part of a cosmic pattern, linking Earth and Mars through ancient, otherworldly engineering? The idea isn't as far-fetched as it seems. On Earth, mysterious doorways, such as the Gate of the Gods in Peru, have been linked to legends of interdimensional travel. Could the Martian doorway have served a similar purpose? Was it a passageway for beings capable of traveling vast distances through space or time? Of course, NASA offered a more grounded explanation. According to the agency, the doorway is nothing more than a natural fracture in the rock caused by Marsquakes and the relentless wear of wind erosion. Measuring roughly 12 inches tall and 16 inches wide, the doorway might be less impressive up close than it appears in the photograph. But here's the thing. The environment on Mars is so alien that even natural formations can seem otherworldly to us. Rocks shaped by millions of years of wind, frost, and seismic activity might just happen to take on forms that trigger our imaginations. However, does that completely rule out the possibility of intelligent involvement? What if some of these formations are relics of a long-forgotten Martian civilization, eroded beyond recognition over eons, but leaving behind tantalizing hints like this doorway? And what about the doorway's location? Gale Crater, where the structure was found, isn't just any Martian site. Billions of years ago, it was home to a vast lake, a region that may have been rich in the conditions needed for life. Could this doorway be a remnant of an ancient settlement built to survive Mars' drastic climate changes? Perhaps it served as a refuge when the planet began to lose its atmosphere and water. If intelligent life once existed on Mars, it's possible they adapted to the planet's harsh conditions by moving underground. constructing networks of tunnels and chambers hidden from the planet's surface. This doorway might be one of the few surviving entrances to an ancient subterranean world. Natural formation or evidence of a lost civilization, the doorway on Mars is a reminder of how little we truly know about our planetary neighbor. Could it be a message waiting to be deciphered, a clue to Mars's hidden past, or simply another geological oddity? One thing is certain, Mars never ceases to surprise us, and the mysteries of the red planet are far from over. Then there's the case of Mars spiders. These intricate web-like formations near the planet's poles have baffled scientists and conspiracy theorists alike. Known as arenaeform terrain, these patterns are caused by sublimating carbon dioxide escaping through cracks in the ice. But their bizarre appearance has led some to suggest a more otherworldly origin.
Could these spiders be something more than geological phenomena?
Some theorists have proposed they might be signs of an ancient alien biosphere, perhaps the remains of a vast underground ecosystem that once thrived beneath Mars's surface. Inca City, a region near Mars' south pole, features strange, grid-like ridges that appear almost architectural. While scientists explain these formations as the result of seasonal frost patterns, their uncanny resemblance to city streets has fueled theories of ancient Martian metropolises. Could there be more hidden beneath Mars's surface? Some believe that if intelligent life ever existed on Mars, its cities would now lie buried under billions of years of sediment and volcanic ash. Advanced scanning technologies might one day reveal these lost relics, but for now, they remain a tantalizing mystery. Mars continues to captivate us, not just as a scientific frontier, but as a source of endless fascination and wonder. Its bizarre structures challenge our understanding of what's possible and inspire us to imagine what might have been. Are these formations simply quirks of alien geology? Or are they evidence of something much greater, a connection between the red planet and the mysteries of the cosmos?